The architects of the future networks, STL presents the Indicium Light Retractable Cable, a proof of our relentless pursuit to craft a digital future for our customers. The Indicium cable has a unique construction to ensure strength and ease of deployment. Encased in an outer sheath, the thermoplastic tubes have color-coded single-mode, bend-insensitive fibers and are protected by two embedded strength members to prevent buckling. The cable is designed for outdoor FTTH network deployment. It helps to achieve faster and more efficient deployment, reducing manpower costs and enabling easy installation. The Indicium cable can be employed in ducts laid at a depth of 80 centimeters, as compared to the earlier depth of 120 centimeters, hence reducing the trenching depth by 33% and enabling faster network rollout. Fiber manipulation via window cuts results in increased longevity and hence reduces cable wastage. Tubes are designed to be retracted from the sheath for lengths up to 100 meters. And then be blown, pushed, or pulled into alternative microducts for distances up to 30 meters. This manipulation of the fiber units reduces the number of sheath cuts, resulting in zero splice loss and zero connectors at the tapping box. There is no capital expenditure on expensive splicing tools, and the labor charges associated with skilled splice technicians are eliminated. This cable can connect multiple houses, as it has variable drop lengths. Also, it reduces the number of active switches and losses due to splicing, hence improving network power budget. The design of the cable results in 20 to 30% faster network rollout and 37% reduction in overall deployment costs. The Indicium cable is designed to be laid along the length of the FTTH network, passing pulled fibers to terminal points, houses, buildings, dwelling points, allowing the installer to create a fiber-ready environment.